Leatherface is because he's the only killer who doesn't take any stamina, or not stamina, but no, yeah, any stamina from swinging. So he just gets a free 10% damage increase. That is kind of insane in my opinion. One down already? I fucked him up. I fucked him up. I fucked him up. That's actually comedy. He was able to recover? Let's go, Connie down. Let's go, let's go. Yo, we are living right now. What is this game? I am destroying this team. Oh, hello. Leland down? What is going on? Yo, this has to be my best Leatherface game I've ever had in my life. What is going on? What is actually going on right now? What the hell? Where is the last one? Julie! Where are you? Julie! No, let me get her! Let me get her! Let me get her! Let's go! Fastest 4-piece game ever? That's fucking insane. Holy hell. What did I just do to these people? That was a game for the books.